Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn greater than, less than and equal to. So shall we start? So children, in a lake there lived an alligator, and this alligator was very hungry. So what the alligator will eat? The alligator will eat the fishes. Yes. So what happened? It was swimming in the water. Swim, 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 swim. So it is going here and there. And suddenly what happened? It saw some fishes here and it saw some fishes here. So what happened? It want to eat. But this alligator was very hungry. So when we are very hungry, will we eat little or will we eat more? We will eat more. So what happened? This alligator was going near to these fishes, but it saw no, there are only some fishes here. I am very hungry. So what happened? It was going this side and it saw many fishes here. And what did the alligator eat? The alligator ate all these fishes. So what happened? This alligator will eat only more fishes, and the mouth of the alligator will open only to more fishes. More. So children, what happens when the alligator is very hungry? It will eat more fishes. Can we count the fishes here? How many fishes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So children, can you say how many fishes are here? 1, 2. 2. So children, which is the big number here? It is 6 or 2? It is number 6. So the alligator will eat the big number. So the alligator will eat big number. Can you see the mouth of the alligator? It is open towards the big number. So children, I hope you understand this alligator story. So first we are going to see what is greater than. What is the sign of greater than? This is the sign of greater than. That is, the mouth will be opened towards the left hand side. Okay children. So the first tip how to remember greater than is, for example, I have number 8 and number 4. So can you see the big number is on your left hand side and the small number is on your right hand side. So the alligator's mouth will open towards the big number. That is, it is opening towards your left hand side. So when you have your sign like this, it is greater than. So how you will tell children? You will tell 8 is greater than 4. 8 is greater than 4. For your second tip, have your left hand and your right hand. Yes. So in your right hand, when you open your fingers like this towards your left hand side, it is the greater than sign. It is greater than sign. So children, now I have 10 and 5. So which is the big number? It is 10. So the alligator's mouth will open towards the big number. So I have told, whenever the alligator mouth is open towards your left hand side, it is what sign? It is greater than sign. So how will you write this? You will write 10 is greater than 5. So this is how you have to write. How will you write? 10 is greater than 5. 10 is greater than 5. So children, now I have our next number, 20 and 14. So which is the big number, 20 or 14? It is 20. Very good. So the alligator mouth will open towards the big number. So it will open towards like this. So can you see? It is opened towards the left hand side. And as I told, the first tip is the big number will come in your left hand side and the small number will come in your right hand side. So how will you tell this? You will tell 20 is greater than 14. 20 is greater than 14. 20 is greater than 14. Going to learn is lesser than. So what is lesser than? When the alligator's mouth is open towards the right hand side. Can you see left hand and right hand? So the alligator's mouth is open towards the right hand side. So when it is open towards the right hand side, we will say it is lesser than. So for example, so children, I have two numbers here, 5 and 8. So can you tell me which is the big number? The big number is 8. So the alligator's mouth will open towards 8. So can you see? It is opened towards the right hand side. So can you see, children? I have my left hand, I have my right hand. So now I am going to take my left hand and I am going to point towards my right hand. So can you see the sign here? So this sign is known as lesser than. Lesser than. So how we will write? We will write 5 is lesser than 8. 5 is lesser than 8. So children, now I have two numbers, 14 and 17. So which is the big number here? It is 17. So the alligator's mouth will open towards the big number. So it is open towards the right hand side. So what you will tell? You will tell 14 is lesser than 17. So shall we write 14 is lesser than 17. So children, I hope you understand the lesser than sign and also the greater than sign. So children, the next we have is equal to. So can you see the alligator's mouth? It is very confused. Yes, it is very confused because we have same numbers on both the sides. For example, 5 and 5. So the alligator is really very confused because both are same numbers. So which we will use? We will use equal to sign. So which we will use? We will use equal to sign. So when we have the same number on both sides, we will use equal to sign. Children, now I have 19 and 19. So both are same numbers. So which we will use? We will use equal to sign. So how we will tell? 19 is equal to 19. So how we will write? 19 is equal to 19. We do a small exercise on put the correct sign. So you have to put the correct sign whether it is greater than, less than or equal to. So shall we go for the first one? We have 18 and 11. So the alligator will eat the big number. So which is the big number here? It is 18. So can you recognize this sign? It is opened towards the left hand side. Yes, can you all do your fingers like this? The right hand and your fingers should be pointed towards your left hand side. So it is what sign? It is greater than sign. So 18 is greater than 11. So next we have 15 and 15. So it is equal to because it has the same numbers. So shall we go for the next one? 8 and 3. So which is the big number? It is 8. So 8 is greater than 3. So what is the next one we have? 6 and 10. So which is the big number? Big number is 10. So what we will tell? We will tell 6 is lesser than 10. 6 is lesser than 10. So what is the next one? 14 and 19. So 14 and 19, which is the big number? 19. So what we will say? 14 is lesser than 19. So the next we have is 20 and 20. So we will say 20 is equal to 20. So children, I hope you understood greater than, less than and equal to. Take care. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.